Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a great, really small web app that gonna solve a single problem, that is annotating into a screenshot. Because as we guys as we all use WhatsApp, right? And whenever we use WhatsApp from desktop, they don't have the annotation option yet enabled into their desktop app. So that's a really great bummer. I don't know why they haven't created that yet, but I think it will be soon available. Actually, it is right now coming in the beta versions, but not for all. And rather than that, in any other application, there is no such thing as annotate option. Like, you can directly annotate into your PC. You have to bring that picture to any of the softwares that can actually have you can bring it into Paint, like who have the actually a brush tool or a pen tool or a arrow tool, and annotate that specific portion, and then export the image, like save this image as a svg file. Then you can upload it, right? This is a big hustle. We don't want to do that in this bigger way, because we want something small, something quick, something can be done like in 3 clicks. So today I am showing you an app for that only. So let's get started. So here is our today's website, that is Anode Screen. As simple as they are doing here, like whatever they are doing, they have written here Anode Screen. So here you can see they have two options. You can obviously drop in your screenshot, like drag and drop your screenshot, or upload an image, and even you can take a screenshot from here. So I have already dropped a screenshot here. So I will like show you what I have done here. Here you can see the screenshot, and if you scroll over it, it will zoom in or zoom out according to the scroll position. Like up means zoom in and down means zoom out. Here you have a tons of tools like lines, arrows as well, the free annotate tool. Then you have text here as well. Okay, and text have this little background, that is really cool, really cool. And whenever you have done that, and you can change the background color as well as the text color and text size also. And if you want to delete it, literally you will click on the delete, that's it, nothing else. Oh wait, let me delete those also. Wait, yeah, delete this one also, delete this one also, delete. First write something in it, and wait. And here is one or two tool, like you can click on that and create. Here you can see it's creating numbers. Like if you want to uh like show someone what are the steps, so you can paste basically step 1, step 2, step 3 in a single screenshot, as you may have noticed in other tools too. So here are all of this, and you can take a screenshot as well from here, and also upload another one. And the great thing about this is you can just click on copy to clipboard to export the whole element out. You don't have to specifically download it. Like you can download it, obviously here are the saving option, but you can just click like copy it on clipboard and then paste it anywhere that you want. Now this gonna be a really handy tool for me. So yeah, another time I'm gonna bookmark it in front of all of you guys. So obviously I'm gonna use it. So that's it for this video. If you know about some of the great apps like this, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like my videos in general, please hit the like button also, because you guys are not clicking the like button. Why? Just because I told you to subscribe to my channel, that's it. Please show some love. If you like, if those videos help you, please like it as well, and obviously subscribe to my channel. Thanks for now. So bye.